Hey everyone! Today, Woyu is bringing you a review of the Jasminer X16-Q mining machines. Follow me to learn more about it. Open the box. Inside is a Jasminer X16-Q miner. Remove the miner and take out the other accessories in the box. Here are the full contents of the box. The net weight is approximately 9.37 kilograms. Jasminer X16-Q supports the Ethash and Etchash algorithm, allowing you to mine ETHW ZIL cryptocurrency with a hash rate of 1950 mH/s. Its power consumption is only 620 watt. Then let's install it. Plug in the power cord, connect the Ethernet cable, plug in the adapter, and switch on the power. After powering on, we can see the miner is running well. When the actual hash rate is 1946 mH/s, the power consumption is around 686 watt, and the noise level is approximately 39 decibels. Both the power consumption and the quiet operation are excellent. How to set up the miner for working normally? Select the firmware tool in the official website after sales support, click on all, scroll down to find the search tool, click to download, unzip it. Open the batch management tool and click on scan to find the currently connected miners. How to get the mining address? Open the URL, register and log into your account. The coin choice is ETC. Scroll down to find the mining address. Go to the mining machine settings, fill in the mining address and miner name, and then save it. After miner running for about 10 minutes, the miner settings interface will show all the data, including hash rate, income and so on. Profit analysis, based on a ETC price of $21.12 and a mining difficulty of 2.22p on July 10, 2024, the daily earnings of Jasminer X16-Q miner are approximately $3.22. The above calculations are for reference only. Actual earnings will be influenced by the following factors. Summary: the Jasmine X16-Q miner is a larger appearance and size, low power consumption, silent miner with a power consumption ratio of 0.34 J/mH, which is a leading level in the industry. The miner supports ETC, ETHW, and ZIL mining, and can be adapted to mining in home, company, and other environments. By miner to Woyu. Make mining easier. For more details, please visit the official website of Woyu.